Improving focus and concentration can be beneficial in various aspects of life, whether it's studying, working, or pursuing personal goals. Here are some techniques that can help enhance your focus and concentration. Minimize distractions. Create a conducive environment by minimizing external distractions. Find a quiet place to work or study, turn off notifications on your phone, and block or limit access to distracting websites or apps. Set specific goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve in a given period. Breaking down your tasks into smaller, manageable goals can make it easier to maintain focus and track your progress. Prioritize and organize tasks. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Develop a to-do list or use productivity tools to help you stay organized and focused on completing one task at a time. Use the Pomodoro technique. This time management method involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. After completing a set of intervals, take a longer break. This technique can help maintain productivity while preventing burnout. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness exercises, such as meditation, can improve your ability to concentrate. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness or use guided meditation apps to help train your mind to stay focused. Take regular breaks. Working or studying for extended periods without breaks can lead to mental fatigue and decreased focus. Take short breaks every hour or so to rest your mind, stretch, and recharge. Optimize your sleep. A good night's sleep plays a crucial role in cognitive function and concentration. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule and create a bedtime routine that helps you relax and prepare for sleep. Practice single tasking. Multitasking can actually hinder concentration. Instead, focus on one task at a time, complete it, and then move on to the next. This approach allows you to give your full attention to each task, leading to better results. Stay hydrated and eat well. Dehydration can negatively affect cognitive function. Drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Remember, improving focus and concentration is a gradual process that requires practice and consistency. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you.